Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Dana, and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, we're going to learn about myths and legends and hear a story about Robin Hood. We will define what myths and legends are, learn some new vocabulary words, learn about the legend of Robin Hood, and complete a quiz. So, what is a myth? What is a legend? A myth is an old story that is not true and that usually has magical people or things. A legend is an old story that many people know, but we're not sure if it's true or not. Let's review some vocabulary words before we start the story. Hero. A hero is a brave person who helps others. The woods. This is another way of saying forest. Special. This means different from others. Rich. This means having a lot of money. Jewels. Special stones that are smooth and beautiful. Sneak. To move quietly so no one sees or hears you. Shh. Castle, a large building where a rich family lives. Treasure, money, jewels, and more. Cheer, a shout of happiness. Woohoo! Now it's time to learn the legend of Robin Hood. Listen carefully because there's going to be a quiz at the end. Once upon a time in a magical forest, there lived a hero named Robin Hood. Robin wore a green hat and lived with his friends in the woods. But Robin was special because he helped people who didn't have much. Some rich people had gold and jewels, while some families did not have food. Robin Hood decided to change that. He sneaked into the rich nobles' castles, took their treasures, and gave them to the families. The happy families cheered for Robin, and he became a legend. Every night he disappeared into the forest, leaving smiles behind. All right, it's quiz time. Please answer true or false to the following sentences. If a sentence is false, let's fix it. Number 1. Robin lived with his family in the woods. False. Robin lived with his friends in the woods. Robin wore a red hat. False again. Robin wore a green hat. Number 3. The rich people had lots of gold and jewels. True. Number 4. The families did not have food. True. Number 5. Robin sneaked into libraries. False. Robin sneaked into castles. Great job! High five! Yeah! How did you do on the quiz? If you like, you can go back and listen to the story again. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!